Welcome class to our kcse revision. I am teacher James Marita, Grigori's Voice National School. Kindly subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell. You will get notified once I upload a new video. We are looking at kcse revision Form 1 works, and today we are starting with integers. And this is the time we are requesting the kcse candidate of 2024 that to have a kcse made familiar and familiarize yourself with all the possible questions that are likely to be set in the kcse. Do a lot of practice from this book, and then you will do well in your kcse exam. So today we are going to look at some of the questions. We are starting with topic 1, and that is Form 1 work. Some of the questions which has been set for the past years in the kcse exam. So the topic 1 in Form 1, topic 1 is integers. We are looking at some of the questions that have been set from this area. So the first one, we have all the prime numbers less than 10 are arranged in descending order to form a number. You can check this one in kcse 2006. So this is you can have this is on kcse. Check on 2006. This is 2006, paper 1. So we have in Form 1, you need to understand what are the prime numbers, what are the even numbers, and the odd numbers. So we have all the prime numbers less than 10 are arranged in descending order to form a number. Prime numbers in between 0 and 10, we have 2, 3, 5, and 5 and 7. Prime numbers, these are the numbers which are divided by 1 and 7. So between 0 and 1, between 0 and 10, the numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. So you will write the numbers in now descending order. In the descending order, the numbers will be 7, 5, 3, 2. So in the descending order, we have the numbers are 5, 7, 5, 3, 2. This is the number. Write the number formed. So the number formed is 7,532. Then question P. State the total value of the second number formed. So the second number formed here, it is number 1, 2. So the second number is 5. So what is the total value of this number? The total value formed of this number 5, the total value is just 500. So this was just a free marks in kcse 2006. So apart from this one here, understand what are the even numbers, find out what are the odd numbers, even numbers, and also the prime numbers. In a certain commercial bank, a customer may withdraw cash through 2 tellers at the counter. So we have the customers can withdraw through two tellers in a counter. On an average, it takes 3 minutes. It takes 3 minutes. It takes on average, one teller takes 3 minutes to serve a customer, while the other takes 5 minutes to serve a customer. So on average, one teller takes 3 minutes to serve a customer, and the other one takes 5 minutes to serve a customer. If the two tellers start to serve the customers at the same time, find the shortest time it takes to serve 200 customers. The shortest time it takes to serve 200 customers. Here again, it is kcse 2009. So this is a kcse 2009. The question was testing on the concept of the LCM. So find the LCM of 3 and 5. So we have LCM of, we start by having the LCM of these numbers of 3 and 5. So the LCM is, you just take 3 times 5, and that LCM is, we have this one as 15. So in 15 minutes now, in 15 minutes, the total number of customers served are 8. So we have, this is 3 and then we have 5. So 3 plus 5, so number of customers, we have number of customers is 3 in this case, plus 5, which is equivalent to 8 customers. So it means that in 15 minutes, the 8 customers are served. So it takes 15 minutes to serve 8 customers. So we have this one here, 8 customers. So we have, this is 8 customers. They are served within 8 minutes. They are served within 15 minutes. So they are served within 15 minutes. How many minutes? What is the shortest time required now to serve 200 customers? So 200 customers now will take at what time? So to 200 customers is just, we have 200, 10 times 15, and then you divide it by 8. And this one will give a total of 375 minutes. So we have, this is 375. It is 375, 375. So the first step here, find the LCM of 3 and 5, which is of course giving us 15. So in 15 minutes, the total number of customers served here are 8. So you ask yourself a question. If 15 minutes serves 8 customers, how many minutes is required now to serve 200 customers? And this one now will be equivalent to be 375. So finding the shortest time it takes to serve that one, you can leave your answer at that point, or you can convert this one into minutes by taking 675, you divide it by 60. A fluid fender, another question here. A fluid fender put 1,948 oranges on Thursday. So on Thursday, the fluid fender put 1,000, and then we have 948 oranges on Thursday. And sold 750 of them on the same day. So on that Thursday, he bought 1,948 oranges, and then he sold 750 of them on that day. On Friday, he sold 240 more oranges, 4 more oranges than on Thursday. Remember, on Thursday, he sold 750 oranges. So on Friday, he sold 240 more oranges. So here now you need to get the total number of oranges sold on Friday by taking 750 plus 240. On Saturday, he bought 560 more oranges. That is on Thursday, on Saturday. Later that day, that is on Saturday, he sold all the oranges at the price of 888 shillings each. Calculate the amount of money the vendor obtained from the sales of Saturday. So let us start on Friday. So on Friday now the number of oranges sold. So on Friday we have 750. Then he sold 750, and then we have 750. Then we have he sold on Friday 750, 240 more oranges. So we have, this is 750, then plus 240 oranges. So this one now, the total number of oranges sold on Friday is equivalent to the 1,000 is equivalent to the 1,740. So this is 1,740 oranges. These are the number of oranges sold on Friday. Now get the remainder. The remainder now, we have the remainder. So he had a total of 1,948 minus 1,740. So on Friday there is a remainder of 208 oranges. So we have this is 208 oranges. That is what remains on Friday. Then on Saturday, he bought 560 more oranges. Remember, this one remains from Friday. So on Saturday, he bought 560 oranges. So let us have on Saturday. On Saturday, the number of oranges we have remaining from Friday is 208. Then he bought 560. So we have this is 560, and that one now will give us a total of 768. So this is 768 oranges on Saturday. Then on Saturday, he sold all the oranges at the price of 8 shillings each. Calculate the amount. So amount on Saturday. So we have the amount. Amount is 80 shillings times the number of oranges 678, and now this one will give us a total of 6,144 shillings. So we have this is 6,000, and we have a total of Kenya shillings, in this case 6,144. So this is the amount of money the offender obtained from the sales of Saturday. So this is a kcse 2010. Get kcse made familiar and you can check. This is kcse 2010. We are on Intergers Form1. A square root is covered. By a number of rectangular slabs of size 60 centimeters by 42 centimeters. Calculate the least possible area of the room in square meters. So this one you can get in kcse 2011, and the question is testing the concept of the LCM, the least common multiple. So the first step, get the LCM of 60 and 42. The LCM of 60 and 42. So we can have our LCM of 60 and then we have 42. So you find the LCM of the two. The least number, we have 2, which can divide this one 3 times. This one is 21. And then we have 2, this is 15. This is 21. 3, which can divide this one as 5 times. And then we have 7. And then we have 5, of course, 1 and 7. Then finally we have 7. And then we have this is 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2. The LCM is 2 raised to power 2 times 3 times 7. And this one is giving us 420. So we have this is 420 centimeters. So we need the possible area of calculate the least possible area, the smallest area of the room in square meters. So you can divide this 420 centimeters into meters by dividing this one by 100, and this is giving us 4.2 meters. So one side of this slab, this rectangular is measured by 4.2 meters by 4.2 meters. So the possible area now, area in square meters now, it is 4.2 times 4.2 because we need that area in square meters, and this one you will get as 17.64. So this is 17.64, and then we have meters square. Make sure you have, as you continue with your revision, have a case estimate familiarize yourself with some of the questions that are likely to be set in kcse 2024. Continue to follow my channel. We are going to do revision of Intergers part 2. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch and share.